This is the Advken Wanderlust Lite. I had this for about a month. It has a coating on it that is very textured, and it's been lasting a while. Now, I'm a contractor, and I have been beating this thing up for the past month, and I have the same exact coil in there. It is a replaceable coil. There is a ceramic coil head in here. I believe there's also cotton. I've changed the juice in this a couple times, and it's still, I get the flavor that I put in there is the flavor I'm getting. This has a 1.2 ohm coil in it. It has 1,000 mAh battery capacity, 2 mil capacity of juice, and it charges very quickly. It fires at 3.5 volts. That's the output voltage. And all in all, I do really like this thing. I like how it looks. The texture on it's really good, and it's been holding up considering what I've been putting this thing through for the past month. They sent this to me quite a while ago, and it's still holding up. Of course, it's a mouth to lung. When the battery dies, it gets red. Right now, it's a green. It'll go down to yellow and medium, and then red when it's dying. And then you want to charge it. It charges up very quickly. I'm going to show you how to fill this thing, show you how you put the lanyard on, and that's it. Once again, it's the Wanderlust Lite from Advken. It's like a Cerakote, like a Cerakote. No need to go down really, actually. You just pop this out right here. You get the juice that you want to put in there, which will be, I'll use this pure peach right here from Door E-Liquid. And we're going to pop this little flap at the bottom here. If I can. Come on, fucker. Of course, it's the first time I'll have problems taking this flap open. Any other time it's good. You could fit a pretty big bottle tip in there. Any kind of salt nick juice will go in there. You could use regular juice too. And we're going to just fill it up a little. Close that up. Alright, and then you'll just plug it back in, and you should be good to go. Now the lanyard, it's got a thin part here, it's got a hole right here, and what we're going to do is we're going to put the thin part through the hole. It'll come out the other side. We're going to stick the big part through the loop. Like so. And pull. And there you go. And these things are great for contractors, man, because you can just have it hanging around if you need to take a hit. You just take a hit and that's it. Now, I don't know how much these are going to go for. I actually seen if I could pick another one up online, and I did not see if they were on sale. It looks like they're going to be 30 bucks around. I don't know how much the cartridges are going to be, but once again, this is a ceramic cartridge, which is, that's different, man. That's very different, and I think it's going to last longer. I have the same coil in here for about a month. I don't use salt nick like all the time, but it's definitely lasting longer than usual. If you like the Soarin' Air or the Soarin' Drop, you would like this. It's the same ohm coil. For beginners, I think it's great. For people that have been vaping a while, I mean, yeah, sure. If it's just something you want to throw around in your pocketbook or carry it around at work or whatever, I think it'd be great. Advken makes great stuff. I want to thank them for sending this over to me. So once again, this is the Wanderlust Lite from Advken. There's the charging port, and that's all I got. Go check it out. Peace.